Hey everybody, welcome to my entry into the 2019 Tip Blitz. I've got a little measuring tip for you. So let's go over to the lathe. Although you can use this tip elsewhere, we're going to set up over to the lathe and I'll show you a little tip. On this tip, I'm going to measure the bore here on this piece, and typically most of us have these telescoping gauges that we tighten up and let the little fingers out, and then once we tighten it up tight, we can pull it through an arc inside of the bore, take it out, take our micrometer, and take a fussy little measurement here. If you can hold your micrometer and the telescoping gauge pretty still and get kind of fussy with it and be gentle. What I come up with is 120.7, if you can read that. So I've got another way that you can measure that bore that's not quite as fussy to take the measurement. Take a adjustable parallel here that, as you can see, it'll slide and adjust. Just make sure that you're deburred here on the outside of your bore, and just put your adjustable parallel in and slide it out until it's good and snug in there. Take your micrometer, go across opposing corners of this adjustable parallel. And that's what I got. It's not quite as fussy holding the mic that way because you're not holding two pieces, so it's a little bit easier to get in there and get a good measurement on here. So try that out. You may like it. It's not ideal for all different sizes of bores, but if your adjustable parallel fits the bore, then you might like that little technique of taking measurements better than using your telescoping gauges. So give it a try.